Sending from one wallet is easy, but what if you've got a whole list of wallets, each with its own destination? Doing that one by one takes forever. Here's the fast way. On j.tools, I'll use the search bar up top, type many, and open many to many. First, I'll connect my wallet from the top right. I'll use Phantom and approve it. Then I pick what to send. I'll go with Sol here, but you can also send USDC, USDT, or any token you're holding. Now, the senders. I'll click Import Senders and paste the private keys. Every sender signs its own transfer, so the tool needs the actual keys here. Then the recipients. I'll click Import Recipients. And these only need their public addresses, not their keys. The tool pairs them in order. The first sender pays the first recipient, the second pays the second, and so on. For the amount, I'll use max. It sends everything each wallet has, minus the fees. You can also set a fixed amount or a percentage, and you can edit any single row if you want. The summary shows everything before I send, 3 pairs ready, the total going out, and the fees. Everything checks out, so I'll hit send. And there it is, all 3 pairs went through. And if you want to be sure, every row links straight to the Explorer. Here's the first pair on Solscan. Success, confirmed on chain, sent from the first wallet to its recipient. That's it. To learn more, make sure to subscribe and follow. Everything's at j.tools.